Hello everyone, I'd like to show you another great use of Instabond. We're going to use it now to fill in a gap where the threads have, of course, as you see it here, have blown out. And what we're going to do is we're going to pour in the Instabond and let it harden instantly, okay, with the activator. There's really no other way to do this unless you wanted to wait 24 to 36 hours for something to hold. So here we'll go. Now, the tip here is to spray the activator in first, so that way it will activate right away and cure right away as the plug goes in. Now what we'll do is we'll fill it up with Instabond. No, you don't want to fill it all. You just give it a bit of some room to blow out. Okay, so now because we have the activator in there, it's going to harden right away. So you're going to do it nice and quick. So put that plug back in. Do this on a lot of IKEA stuff. Okay, and so take that back off. So you can see a little bit oozed out. Okay, you kind of got to do this real fast because we've got the activator in there already. Okay. Okay, so take it back out, put this plug in. Make sure it gets in there. Okay, do another one, right over there. Okay, so you can see what's happening here. So, see it oozed out there a bit? That's fine. Now, do we have another one? Yes, we have one last one. One I forgot to put the activator first. Usually we put the activator in after, but the whole idea here is to get the activator in there first, so when the adhesive goes in, it hardens right away. Okay, there you go, a little more. Now, put the plug in, hammer it down. You can see that. Again, you can do this with a lot of furniture. So it oozes out there, it's okay. And you just about have it there. Is that flat? Okay. I can feel how sturdy that is already. So what we've done here is we turned in a situation and we've fixed something that look how hard that is. So it's really gonna take it. Okay. So there's a great use, and this is ready to go. So what we're gonna do is we're gonna screw this back now, and everybody's fine. So this is great for blown out press board, MDF, or fiberboard, and even wood when you like. Okay, so Instabond has made this possible. So another great use for Instabond. All right, guys, thanks, and we'll catch you next time.